In the world of woodworking, the blending of traditional techniques with modern marketing strategies can create a powerful avenue for profit. Today, we're diving into 5 ancient woodworking projects that not only have stood the test of time, but also continue to sell exceptionally well in today's market. These projects are not just about crafting beautiful items. They embody a rich history and craftsmanship that appeal to customers looking for authenticity and quality. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, understanding these projects and the tricks of professional woodworkers can elevate your craft and boost your income. Let's begin with the first project, the wooden chest. Historically, wooden chests were used for storage and travel, often intricately designed with carvings and inlays that showcased the skill of the craftsman. Today, these chests are still sought after, especially those that incorporate traditional joinery techniques like dovetail joints. The appeal lies not only in their functionality, but also in their aesthetic value. To sell these chests effectively, professional woodworkers often highlight the craftsmanship involved, using storytelling to connect with potential buyers. They might share the history of the design, the type of wood used, and even the techniques that went into its creation. This not only adds value to the product, but also creates an emotional connection with the customer, making them more likely to purchase. Next up is the wooden bowl, a project that dates back thousands of years. Wooden bowls have been used in various cultures for serving food, and their simplicity makes them timeless. Professional woodworkers often use a technique called turning, where they shape the wood on a lathe, creating smooth and symmetrical bowls. The key trick here is to choose the right type of wood. Hardwoods like maple or cherry are popular for their durability and beautiful grain patterns. Marketing these bowls involves showcasing their versatility. They can be used for serving, as decorative pieces, or even as gifts. Many woodworkers also emphasize the sustainable aspect of their products, appealing to eco-conscious consumers who appreciate handmade items crafted from responsibly sourced materials. Moving on to wooden toys, we find a project that has delighted children for generations. Traditional wooden toys, such as cars or puzzles, not only provide entertainment, but also promote creativity and learning. The craftsmanship involved in creating these toys is crucial. They must be safe, durable, and engaging. Professional woodworkers often use vibrant, non-toxic paints and finishes to make these toys visually appealing while ensuring they meet safety standards. To sell wooden toys effectively, many artisans focus on creating unique designs that stand out in a crowded market. They might also tap into nostalgia by marketing their toys as heirloom pieces that can be passed down through generations, thus appealing to parents looking for quality over mass-produced alternatives. The fourth project we'll explore is the wooden cutting board, another ancient item that has evolved over time. Cutting boards have been essential in kitchens for centuries, and today's consumers are increasingly interested in high-quality, handcrafted options. Professional woodworkers often employ techniques like edge grain construction to create boards that are not only functional, but also beautiful. The trick here is to educate customers about the benefits of wooden cutting boards over plastic ones. For example, wooden boards are less damaging to knives and can be more hygienic when properly maintained. Marketing strategies may include offering personalized engravings or custom sizes, catering to a wide range of customer preferences. By highlighting the craftsmanship and care that goes into each piece, woodworkers can create a strong selling proposition. 5-second pause. Finally, let's discuss wooden furniture, which has been a staple in homes for centuries. Items like stools, benches, and tables are not only functional, but also serve as focal points in any room. The craftsmanship involved in creating sturdy, yet aesthetically pleasing furniture is highly valued. Professional woodworkers often use traditional joinery techniques, such as mortise and tenon joints, to ensure durability while maintaining an elegant appearance. When selling furniture, it's essential to showcase its versatility. For instance, a beautifully crafted bench can serve as both seating and decor. Additionally, many artisans emphasize the story behind their pieces, where the wood was sourced, how it was crafted, and what makes it unique, creating a narrative that resonates with buyers. In conclusion, these 5 ancient woodworking projects, wooden chests, bowls, toys, cutting boards, and furniture, represent not only a rich history, but also a lucrative opportunity for modern woodworkers. By employing tricks used by professionals, such as storytelling in marketing, focusing on quality craftsmanship, and emphasizing sustainability and uniqueness, you can effectively tap into today's market demand. Each project carries with it a legacy of tradition and skill that appeals to customers seeking authenticity in their purchases. So whether you're looking to start a woodworking business or simply want to enhance your skills, consider these timeless projects as your canvas for creativity and profitability. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more woodworking tips and project ideas. Happy crafting!